Okay, now first query we sorted some CD names in ascending order. Now in the next bit I'm going to show you to use a select query to pick data with only a certain criteria. So again, we go to queries and new, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for all single CDs in my database, and then I'm going to look for all double CDs in my database, and then finally I'm going to look for all single CDs that cost £10.99. So again, I go to queries new, as I just did, and then design view, and OK. Now I add the table as before and close, add all the fields as before, and first of all I'm going to look for all the single CDs. So what I need to do in these lines here, you see it says field table sort show, and criteria is the line I'm going to use. Over in the right here I type in single. Now if I run that query, you'll see now that the only CDs that have come out are the single CDs. So just to prove that it works again, I'm going to go back to the design, and you can change the design at any point in any query. I'm going to change that now to double. Again, run it to show you that it works, and now that will find only the double CDs. Now you haven't just got to query one field, you can query several fields at the same time. So I'm going to go back to design, and I'm going to query single double CD again, so I'm going to look for single CDs this time, but in price over here, sorry, it was back there, I'm going to put £10.99. So I'm looking for two different criteria. If I run the query, you can see now they're only single CDs and they only cost £10.99. It's managed to ignore all the other data by use of these criteria. So finally, I save the query, I call it Q, single CD £10.99, I go to OK. Oops, and that violates the naming rules because it's got a decimal place in it, so I need to change that. So £10.99. Now that it'll accept that because there aren't any decimal places in it. Go to OK. And if I open that up, you can see price £10.99, single double CD, single. So that's worked quite well. And that's that.